Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Pepper's Den. Come on in, you guys. Today, we're going to be making some loaded French fries, you guys, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some French fries, straight cut, preferred. You're going to need some cheese. We're going to be using a 4-cheese Mexican blend. We're also going to be using a mixture of Monterey and Kobe Jack cheese. We're going to need some salt, some pepper, some hot pepper rings, some bacon, and some green onions, you guys. So, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get these, the bacon over into a skillet and start getting my grease on the stove. So when we come back, we can start dropping our fries into our hot grease, you guys. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I have our bacon on the stove cooking up, and our grease should be, our grease should be just about hot enough. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in our French fries. Oh, yes. We have a lot of fries, you guys. Get those moved around some. I'm cut the stove back up because I had to turn it down because grease was just flying all over the place. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let these French fries go ahead and cook for a minute and crisp up and do their thing. And I'm going to go ahead and flip this bacon over, you guys, and I'll come back. Okay, guys, we're back. We're going to go ahead and check on our French fries. I went on ahead and got our bacon out of the skillet, and that's draining on some paper towels, you guys. So we're going to check on my fries and see how they're crisping up. You guys see my beautiful salmon in the back? I was also making some salmon, but that'll be another video, you guys. So let's check on our French fries for the moment being. Ooh-wee, they looking pretty. We're gonna let those continue to cook and get a little bit more crispier, you guys. Ooh, those are looking good. See that, you guys? So we're gonna let those continue to cook and crisp up, you guys. And when I come back, we're gonna be adding on our cheese and our bacon and our hot jalapenos and our seasonings, you guys. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, our French fries are done. We're gonna go ahead and get these out of the cooking grease, and we're going to place these in the oven after we put our different ingredients on here, like our cheese and all those ingredients I told you that we're going to put on. So you guys, let's go ahead and get our french fries out of the hot oil. Ooh-wee. Look at those boys. Shake some of this excess grease off. We're just going to place those onto a paper towel. I'm going to get the rest of them out. See those fries, guys? Wait a minute, I'll show you in just a second. And I guess I got them all out. Okay, see our french fries, you guys? Okay, you guys, stay tuned. I'm going to get my cheese and my seasonings and all my toppings that we're going to add to our fries, and I'll be back, you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I hope that you can see pretty good, and we're going to go ahead and start adding on our cheeses, and we're going to start with the 4 cheese blend. And this is a blend of Monterey Jack, cheddar, Asiago, and I'm not even sure how you pronounce this, costada or something like that. I'm not sure, you guys, how you pronounce it, if I'm pronouncing it right. But we're going to go ahead and start adding on our cheeses, you guys. And now we're going to add on our, this is the Monterey Jack and Kobe. And you guys already went on ahead and put salt on my fries, because I had to put the salt on immediately after I took them out of the grease. You know, that way they will hold its flavor. So I had to go ahead and put that on. A little more. Okay, you guys. So next we're going to add our, I'll put some onion powder on here. A little bit of onion powder. Now so I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to put on some black pepper. And now we're going to add our, maybe I'll do our jalapenos. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and put our jalapenos on. I'm just going to get those all over. And now we're going to add our bacon on, you guys. And they make these, like a version of these at I believe it's Outback Steakhouse. I can't remember. But anyway, you can call these either Texas fries. You can call them copycat Outback Asiago fries, or whatever it is they call them, you guys. But you should make them. They're very good. Try them. I guarantee you'll make them again and again. If you ever had them at one of those restaurants before. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these over into the oven and let the cheese get melted all over them, you guys. When I come back, we'll be adding our green onions on, you guys. So stay tuned and I'll be back, you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this will conclude the end of this video, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and add our green onions on. Okay, I'm making a mess. Let's get those on here. Our green onions, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is going to conclude the end of this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, I would like for you to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And to the right, you guys, we have some sour cream. Now, you can serve this up with whatever it is that you may like, whether it be some ranch dressing, blue cheese, or Thousand Island, whatever it is you prefer, you guys. But I'm going to serve this up with sour cream, which you can see right here before you guys. So once again, you guys, if you like this video, I would like for you to get a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about me. And if you're new here, I would like for you to hit that notification to all, subscribe to my channel, you guys. And once again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Pepper's Den, and I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Make my delicious loaded French fries, you guys.